All right, welcome back to the only channel here on YouTube giving you the Florida unemployment information, rather, as it happens, and more. So today I'm talking to you guys that are maybe you're self-employed, you're gig workers, you do Uber Eats, DoorDash, maybe you're a consultant or a handyman, but you get a 1099 at the end of the year, okay? And if you get 1099s, then you may just be eligible to get in line for some free money. It's a loan, but it's a forgivable loan, which means that you won't have to pay it back. So the SBA right now has opened up to the general population in the last day or two the second draw PPP program, which in the PPP stands for Payroll Protection Program. Basically, this is a forgivable loan. It's basically free money that you can get in line for if you go get in line for it now. And when I say now, I mean now, this afternoon, not this evening, and not tomorrow, because this PPP Draw 2 was just opened up about a day or two ago, and the applications are being sent to the SBA, the Small Business Administration, on Tuesday. So you want to get in line now because there's less money than there was last year. It's going to go a little bit quicker, but it doesn't mean that you can't get it. You can, and you will, as long as you can show that you had a 25% decrease between any quarter in 2019 versus the same respective quarter in 2020. It's a no-brainer. For me, it was $1,000 that I got, but you have to go get in line now. Now, you can apply through any lender. You don't have to have good credit, so don't sweat that. I don't. They don't factor in credit like they do with the EIDL loan, and that's a video for another day. But credit isn't an issue, so don't worry about your credit. You can apply through any lender, meaning you don't have to have a banking relationship with the bank that you apply for that EIDL loan through. But I would be, if you're just thinking about doing this and you're just starting to do this today, maybe on Saturday or Sunday or even Monday, I would be maybe a little bit more inclined to jump in line with a bank that is a bigger bank at this point, just because their processes might be a little bit more streamlined, but that's just me. But we do have, obviously, we're over the holiday weekend, so I would just make sure that the bank is going to be open through, uh, like my bank is. I bank with Woodforest Bank, and they actually answer the phone today, and they've told me they're going to be open on Monday, and I would suspect that they're going to be processing PPP loans on Monday as well, because they're going to be sending them to the SBA on Tuesday. So pick your lender carefully, pick one that's capable of suiting your needs, but do remember that you can bank with anybody, you can apply with anybody, and if you get 1099s, you can show that you had a 25% decrease between 2019 and 2020, same respective quarter. You're pretty much in the club. For me, it was $1,000. Let me know in the comments below, did you get a PPP loan last year? If so, how much? What lender was it through? Let people know so that they know who to use, maybe who to avoid if you had a bad experience with them. And that's all the time I got. I hope you guys found this useful. If you did, please do me a favor and give it a thumbs up.